am going to give you a look at my 2019 estimated self-employment income taxes. Now, who must pay estimated tax? Individuals, including sole proprietors, partners, and S corporation shareholders have to make estimated tax payments if they expect to owe tax of $1,000 or more when their return is filed. Now, estimated income taxes are a prepayment of what your income taxes will most likely be in a ballpark figure the next year. So what an estimated income tax is you are paying into what you will most likely need to pay at the end of next year's tax return. So just like a W-2 worker pays their income taxes at the time of their paycheck, self-employed individuals are usually required to pay some portion of their estimated income taxes that will be due at the end of next year quarterly, because those aren't taken out from a paycheck from us because we don't receive a paycheck. Now, you will be able to find these in your 1040 ES. Now, right now it is 2020, so I have filed my 2019 income taxes. Now, included in my 2019 income taxes, once they are completed, I receive payment vouchers. Okay, right here you can see my 1040 ES payment voucher. Okay, so this is my estimated tax that I am required to pay. You can see right here that this is for 2020 tax year, okay, and this is payment voucher 1. Now this voucher is due on 4/15, so on tax day. So when you file your taxes, you pay your income taxes for that year, and you also pay your first quarter estimated taxes. So you will see that this number will be based on your prior year's income. It's calculated that way. You pay into it based on those estimated payments. If you make more money during 2020, you will be required to pay more tax at the end of the year. If you make less money at the end of the year, you will be receiving a refund. Now, you'll notice that there's an amount right here, okay? And you'll notice that this payment voucher requests that you mail it in with either a check or a money order. Okay, so that's one method that you can use to pay, is by mailing in this voucher with a check or a money order. Now, the other method that you can use is to pay online. Okay, now to pay this online as opposed to mailing in the form, I'm going to go up here to the Pay tab. Okay, and I'm going to select the proper payment method that I would like to have. So I'm going to select bank account or debit or credit card. Payment plan. If you cannot pay your taxes, you can apply for a payment plan. So be careful if you do that, because there are limitations in terms of how frequently you can do that. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to select debit or credit card today. Now, you'll notice that if we are using a debit or credit card, it is subject to fees. Okay, so this is the fee schedule that you can see right here. If we go to pay and we select bank account, you can scroll down and you can see that you do not have to pay fees. So this is how I'm going to choose to make my payment today. Okay, I'm going to click Make Payment. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to fill these in, select the reason for payment. It is going to be estimated tax, apply payment to 1040 ES. Tax period is going to be for this upcoming tax year. So for this case, it's going to be 2020. Okay, you've chosen to make an estimated tax payment. Is this correct? Yes. Next, I'm going to need to verify my identity. So it's tax year for identity. I'm going to choose 2019. My filing status. Was married, filing joint return, my first name, last name, and confirm my last name. Next, it's going to ask for social security number, and to confirm your social security number, your date of birth, your country of residence, and your address. Okay, next you're going to please enter and confirm the payment amount below. So we are going to enter in that amount that is on your estimated tax voucher. You will then enter in your bank account information, select if it is checking or savings, and you are going to enter in your email address for a confirmation and click continue. I do want to remind you that as you are paying self-employment taxes, the question may come across in your mind, do I use my business account or do I use my personal account? I want to remind you that income taxes are a personal expense. This is your personal income taxes, okay? These are not sales taxes, so they will not be coming out of your business account. This is tax money from your personal income, okay, from your net takeaway pay. So this is going to be paid from your personal account. You will then be asked to add an electronic signature, confirm all of the details, and click submit. Your last screen is going to be a confirmation, so make sure that you save this as a print screen for your records.